In this week's video, I saw a moose. We saw Aurora borealis. It got even colder, as you can see. I got from nothing, well, at least in 2 weeks' time, I got from nothing to this frame. Let's watch the video. As you know, I'm building a woodworking workshop in the barn, and today is the progress video about that. I am also going to build a skate ramp in this part, but I don't have any sheet material yet, so I can't start that yet. Got most of the basic frame in. Over there is one beam I'm gonna do now, and then I'm going to start with the smaller beams. Saw a moose, so I hope I can still see him again. I don't know where. Oh, there he is. Holy shit. Holy shit. Saturday, the snow is melting again. This beautiful view that I have shown you before when I do my morning coffee. We went walking there, and you see that little bridge over there. It's really beautiful. You can follow a stream, and yeah, we saw the woodpecker or maybe it's not the same, but we saw a woodpecker. I think it's the same that is always at our bird feeder. And speaking of bird feeder, I built that because the birds were eating our window putty, and the bird feeder is a big success, but the putty is still eaten, and now it's gone at most places. So yeah, there's that. I have to fix that after winter. So I got some supplies, because if I get the sheets into the workshop, then I don't have any lights anymore from the floodlights that are at the top of the barn. So I've got some 5,000 lumen tube lights, LED things. So those are going onto the ceiling in the workshop that I can see something. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, show it to other people. Yeah, you know, really helps the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.